Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up your machine for desktop automation. Once you have the credentials, please log in and go to Testing and Guided. Select Start Now, then Windows, and click on Next. If this pop-up comes up, please click Allow and click on Download and install ZeuZ Node. This will install Node on your machine. Now that is downloaded, let's open this file. When you see this blue screen, please click on More Info and click on Run Anyway. As you can see, this is not started installing. I'll pause this video and come back once the installation is done. As you can see, the installation is completed. Let's minimize the window and go back to the ZeuZ server. Now it is asking you to enter the application you want to test. You have to provide the name or path of the application. For this video, we will automate a simple calculator test case. So let's type in calc.exe and hit continue. As you can see, a test case has been created successfully. Now let's click on Next. This is where you will be automating your test case, and you can see the launch action has been added automatically. So let's click on Run Actions and run selected actions. This should open up the calculator. So the actions are the building blocks of automation. In ZeuZ, we have more than 400 actions to help you automate pretty much anything you can think of. Now let's go back to the screen and click on Next. And as you can see, everything is set up and ready for testing.